Alright guys, welcome back again on my YouTube channel. So you guys know how I normally do this every week. I normally come here to do my analysis on the trade that we took, the ones that I think I'm going to take next week, the ones that hit profit, stop loss, and so on. So for like let's say 2 weeks I haven't dropped any video. So this is my first video this month of November, and I'm seeing a lot of setup. I'm seeing about, let's say, 4 to 5 setup. I want you guys to just listen closely, pay attentively, and follow what I'm going to tell you guys. But before we proceed, let's first go to the DSY to check what's really happening, because it will give us a very clear lead. Now, if you guys remember previously, I told you guys that my level target on the DSY was around 100.049, and the market came and hit it and start to retrace back. And you guys can see what's really happening here. The market is pulling back to this level. So the law of price action states that when there is a break, there must always be a pullback, and that is what is literally happening here. If you guys can see, this is a daily time frame. The market is trying to pull back to this level, and this level is a very major level. It has touched so many market levels here. If you guys can see, around this area it was support, and around this area it turned to resistance level. So this level has been holding for many days, couple of days, weeks. So right now the DSY, I'm expecting the DSY to break above this level. Now let's remove this one because the market has break it. So I'm anticipating the DSY to break above this level and hit, let's say, this psychological level 100.500 around this area, and this is where I'm anticipating the market to push more further. Let's say around the previous high, or let's make this a round number. Sorry. All right, so the next level target of DSY is 100.500. so guys, you heard it here from my own channel. The DSY is bullish. I am 95% bullish on DSY. So quickly, let's analyze GBPUSD. You guys can remember 2 weeks ago I called this trade on GBPUSD. You can go to my Telegram channel, and in case you are not part of us, I want you to go to the description below. You will see the link there. Click it and join the Telegram channel. It is free. I'm not asking for anything. The signal there is free. All you have to do is just to stay active, know when I post my setup, and know when to enter and exit. I always post my entry and exit, so you don't have anything to worry about. The only thing you have to do for me is just to click the link below and join my Telegram channel. So I posted this trade previously, and the trade came to hit our full T-pin. Go to the Telegram channel, you can track all these things if I'm lying or I'm telling the truth. Now, after some couple of days, I haven't placed any trade for like 2 weeks. I have been waiting for this pullback to happen. I know that it's going to take a couple of days, close to 1 or 2 weeks, for this move to happen, because this was a very huge move that the market just dropped, and I know that after this drop there is going to be a pullback to the upside. So I'm anticipating the market to come to this level. Now, using my Fibonacci tool to track where the pullback is going to end, then from the swing high to the swing low, you guys can see, and there is a level around this area that the Fibonacci is pointing out for us, the 61 and the 60 level and the 50 level. So the Fibonacci is also rhyming with this level that is here, a very strong support level that the market will soon use as a resistance level. So I'm just waiting for the market to hit this level, reject from it, then we'll continue the sell. So I'm 80% bearish or 90% bearish on GBPUSD. If you want to join me to trade this, just stay active on my Telegram channel. I will drop any trade that I'm going to enter. Next is Euro USD. So Euro USD is doing the same thing as DSY, just coming back to this level to test it. If you guys can see, this is a very strong level, but I have to wait for Euro USD to come and clear this level, come back under this support level. I was trying to use it as a support level. I want it to break it, just break below and give me some entry levels there before we're able to enter. But for now, Euro USD is not that fully ready because it break above this support level. This a resistant level. You're supposed to use it as a resistant level, but it came here, broke above it. So we'll be watching it closely. No decision yet on Euro USD. The next is USDCHF. What a beautiful move. What a beautiful. Let me just remove all this so you guys can see what I'm really looking at on this pair currently now. You guys can see this is a level of support that have been holding for a couple of weeks now. This level of support is so strong that I can be able to push it here. So you guys can see what's really happening here. The market has touched this level multiple times. This is the first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth, fifth, sixth. So multiple times that the market has been touching here, making this a very strong level. So I'm going to be looking for entry on the lower time frame, like 4 hours, since we have reached that level, and I'm seeing some rejection, daily candle rejection from that support level. Then if you square that to the 4 hours time frame, so you guys can see what's really happening here, guys. So this is going to be a beautiful trade. I'm just waiting for the market to come back, give me a clear something very let me just adjust something. Just give me a minute. All right. So now I want the market to come back to this level. You see, I want it to form a head and shoulder around this level. If you are going to see a pullback like this is happening, up, down, up, I want you to come and give me the left shoulder, the right shoulder, sorry, that will not give us that push. So you guys understand how I trade. So just waiting patiently for this market to open and pull back here small, then we can be able to enter for a buy. So I'm bullish on USDCHF, 80% bullish. Next on my list is USDCAD. All right, let's see USDCAD. USDCAD. I'm still bullish on USDCAD on the daily time frame, how the market is going, but my concern is the market that closes below this support level and now wanted to turn it to a resistant level. But we still hope there's still hope for us, because if I use my Fibonacci tool and check the swing low and the swing high, it is corresponding with that retracement. You can see this is a previous high, so the market is technically sitting around this level, so making this a very strong level for it. So we'll just hope that this level will very well, this particular level, that it holds very well, because it is rhyming with a Fibonacci tool. So that is what is giving me 80% confidence that we are still going to push to the upside. And you guys can see this bullish daily engulfing candle happening right here. So to understand price action is key, like it will make everything easier for you to trade. Now next on my list, let me just make this very fast. So I'm going to be looking for any chart pattern, maybe on the 4 hours, to wait for the market to give me that head and shoulder pattern that I always love to trade. Maybe come down to this level more and give me a chart pattern, then I'll enter from there. Next is USDJPY. Same thing, bullish. So I don't have much thing to say. Just be waiting for it to give me any chart pattern here. Then another one is NZDUSD. Wow, I love the way this market is falling. I love the way it's giving me this lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low on the daily time frame. Just check it out, guys. This is a beautiful downtrend, like those paper text, all those stuff like you see on paper or you see on PDF that follow the trend. Like this, just a typical example of it. You guys can see all the way from this side, giving us lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So I'm waiting for another lower high around this area to go short. So I'm gonna set an alarm here. You're feeling me? Set an alarm around this area, so it's going to notify me. If the market reach this level, it will notify me. So same thing on NZDCAD, same scenario, same movement. Just going to set an alarm around this level for the market to notify me. So if the market notify me around those levels, I'm not just going to enter blindly. I'll still wait for a chart pattern around this area to enter the market. So don't think that I will just enter blindly. So how many alarm have I set? Why is it not setting? But all right. So on NZDUSD, I'm bearish. NZDCAD, I am very, 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 very bearish. You guys can see the trend. So I don't need any like prophet or any forest guru to tell me that this market is bearish. You guys can see it. You guys can see the move. It is bearish. Like this is bearish. So I'm not gonna buy. If you think that I will be buying from here to push the market up, is a lie. I will rather wait for it to have its pullback if I can be able to sell. All right. Next on my list is the CADCHF. So CADCHF, I am bullish on CADCHF based on what I'm seeing. So for a couple of weeks now, this market has been selling until it approaches this level. So I'm going to be very careful with this market. Very, very careful until we approach this level. Then the market started to give us double bottom. All right, this is on the weekly time frame. So there has been a very heavy sell momentum on this pair. Then it reached to this level. Then the market go up, come back to it, giving us a double bottom both on the weekly and on the daily time frame. Now you guys can see what's really happening here. So I am bullish on this pair. Just going to go to the 4 hours time frame to check what's really happening there. Same thing, if the market can give me a chart pattern here, head and shoulder pattern inside here, I'll be looking for long positions. I'm looking for long position around this area. Stop loss will be below here. TP here. This is 1:3. So guys, this is it for this week. The trade that I'm mostly interested on is firstly GBPUSD. Just waiting for the market to reach that level. And I'll be selling from this area. It depends on how the market places itself, then I will not put my stop loss. The next on my list is USDCHF. Very beautiful trades. We'll wait for the market to pull back a little bit, then we can swing it to the upside. Next on my list, let's skip this, then go back to NZD. Very beautiful move, just waiting for it to happen. Beautiful moves. So I don't want this video to be short, that's why I have to just break everything down in a very easy and simple way. If you want to see me trade all these pairs, just join my Telegram channel. I'll be dropping all the signals there, the one that I'm really going to take. All right, let's put this here. So then NZDCAD. So these are the pair that I'm looking at to trade this week. So anyone that presents itself, firstly, I'm going to jump into it. So this is it. Alright guys, I will see you guys on my next video. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment, and also share the video. Alright, bye. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye.